Hey guys, I've got an unboxing. I really wanted this bag from the get-go, and I had ended up ordering the Greta Zip and the brown tomorrow because the price was right at the time when I got it, and I never wore it. Never even took the plastic off the handles. If you all have seen, my last collections video. So, this I did order off QVC. It is an as is. It's the Sutton Zip. I really wanted this bag, and I just kept watching for it, and finally I just broke down. So I'm gonna try to sell that Greta zip that I have if this works out. So all I did was I opened the box because the shipping label and everything was on top of it. So let's get inside and see what it is, and let's hope that it's in good condition, being an as-is purchase. And I got her in the camel. She's unstuffed, it looks like. I'm definitely gonna get this bag out of the box out of the way here. Sorry. I stayed home from work today. I had a horrible migraine. Kept running to the bathroom. Sick to my stomach, so I don't want you all to see what I look like today. And as usual, I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm sorry. Hold on here. There we go. Now I can get into it. Ooh, it's so smooth. So much smoother than that Greta. Even though this is also coated cotton. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry if that's making you all sick. Looks like she may have a few little scratches on her. Like she may have been used. But then again, she's still got plastic on the handles. So I wonder why someone would return her. There's her inside. Looks like she's still got all the stickers and card. There's my dog drinking his water. I guess I could. Let me see that. Probably just need some. That's like suede. Isn't that cool? You can tell the difference. That's so cool. So there she is. She's got the braided zippers that I love. Sorry, I'm just investigating her. Let's see the back here. See, she's coated cotton, or coated canvas. She's what I wanted from the very, very beginning. She's only got that scratch right there that kind of bothers me, but I think if I just take some of my conditioner, she'll be fine. Alright, let's test out the zippers. Zippers are fine. It's just difficult to do with one hand, as everything is. I wish she came stuffed, but I got stuffing I can put in her. Alright, so I'm going to say that this as-is purchase was good. I mean, she's got a few little minor scratches on her. But I feel like, I think she's good. And then that one scratch. I'll let you all go in close here. You can see that that's suede. And this is the Dooney and Bourke Zip Zip. And this is the Sutton and the camel color. I really fell in love with this after Ivana's video. And I just broke down and I was like, well, maybe I'll find it on as is. And